I don't know which gay person needs to hear this, but stop paying somebody else to change out your AC filter in your car because it is so much cheaper to just do it yourself. I know you might be scared, but trust me, you could do this because it's actually a lot easier than it sounds. So first step, look up your car model, make, and year so you can find the air filter type to buy. I got this one from PureFlow and it's actually a HEPA filter. This is not necessary, but I got this too just for funsies. Ignore this mess, but you're gonna open up your glove compartment, squeeze the sides so this actually comes off like this. You'll see a little air filter here. It'll say airflow, so you know which direction to put your filter. If you look on the sides, there's this little piece here and you just press it to release. Ooh. And there's your nasty, dirty air filter. Remove the nasty, dirty air filter in question, and you got this nasty, dirty filter. I just opened up my new air filter, so it looks like this. It tells you which direction to place it. Follow those arrows. This is just that peach air freshener thingy that I bought for fun, but anyways, you just put it back, put it back, put the filters in, and the airflow arrows are pointing the right direction. So then I just put the little cover back on this baby, and that's literally it. I never learned how to do this myself. I would have continued to foolishly dish out $50-$60 every time just to get somebody to buy me a filter and replace it when I could have just easily done it myself. I spent maybe like $30. I saved $30, $20, and I'm more gay now, so